All right. So this is set number 3, one of the easier sets. Everyone should have attempted this. Easy 5 questions. That's 15 marks into your pocket. Let's see what is happening here. For upcoming elections in Haryana, there are 4 political parties, C, B, T and A, who are asking for permission for their processions. The dates are 8, 10, 11, 12 and 14. And on each day, there are 3 slots. There is a morning slot, afternoon slot and evening slot. Now, there are 2 conditions given by the Election Commission. On every slot, 1 slot is 1 party. Totally how many slots? We have 5 days. Per day, 3 slots, 15 slots. 1 slot, 1 party. And other condition is only in each day, only 1 party can come and so every party can have only 1 slot in a day. Okay, right? So every day there has to be 3 different parties. Why? Because no party can repeat on the same day, which means 3 slots, there should be 3 different parties. That's basically the possibility. Now, additional conditions given to us are there are no processions on these days and these slots. So I have already marked them. None, none, none. So out of the 15 slots, 3 slots are gone. So you are now left with only 12 slots. C and A are allowed procession on 3 days. So C equal to 3 days, A equal to 3 days, B is 2 days. Therefore, T should be left with 4 days because the total should add up to 12. Okay. T was the only party which was scheduled in all the 3 slots. So we have to make sure that in our final answer, except T, no other party is getting 3 slots, all the 3 morning, evening and afternoon slots. Okay. Right. On the 8th, T had its procession after Congress. So C and T. I'm just making 2 cases. We might need more than them, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and see. And it's also mentioned that no one had its procession twice in the morning slot, which means in this horizontal row, there should be all 4 of the parties. No party can repeat. So please keep that in mind. Anyway, vertically, no party is repeating. Because every day only 1 party, every day 1 party comes only once. Okay. Now continuing with the 4th point, 11th and 12th, C had its procession after arm. So on 12th, A and C. Now on 11th, A cannot be in the morning slot. This cannot be A. So A has to come here, C has to come here. So I have fixed quite a few of my things already. So this has to be A, this has to be C. If you notice, all 3 C's are done. Now I'm left with 1 more A. Only 2 A's are done, 1 more A. Where can that other A be? Let's take a look at it. This cannot be A because remember, only T is present in all the 3 slots. Already A is present in the morning and A is present in the afternoon. So I cannot have A coming in the evening. So this also cannot be A. Not A, not A. And of course, these are not A, not A. Okay. Obviously, this is also not A and not A. So then what do I have? I have 2 possibilities. What are the 2 possibilities? The 2 possibilities are A can be present on 10th or on 14th. So let me write that down in the 2 cases. A is present here or A is present over here. And now I will erase the unnecessary parts. These are taken care of. Okay. So what have I fixed? I have fixed all 3 slots for C. I have fixed all 3 for A. Now, if you look at morning slot, 10th and 11th, one has to be B, the other has to be T. One has to be T, the other has to be B. Because no party can repeat in the morning slots. Okay. Now, what else? What else have I got? Where should the other T be? Now, if I keep my T, one of the T's, the other T, so T should be in the evening slot, right? One of the T has to be there in the evening slot. And of course, one more T will be either in the evening again or afternoon again. Now, what is the possibility for my B? This cannot be B. This cannot be B because B is already there. So who will come here then in this case? Definitely this has to be T. There's no choice for me. There's no choice because A's are gone, C's are gone, B, one is gone, other B cannot come there. So it has to be T. Now we are left with one B and one T. So this can be BT or it can be TB. Okay, let's look at this. Two cases. In this first case, we are getting two possible cases. Let's look at the second scenario. In the second scenario, what is happening? Now, this cannot be T, this cannot be T. So automatically, this has to be B. This has to be T. Sorry, that has to be T. Because on a day, you can have only one party. You cannot have you can't have repeat of the party. So this is T. Now, where is B? So this can be your B or T, T or B, and that is a problem. Why is that a problem for you? Because this entire case is not possible at all because T cannot repeat. Already T is fixed. So whether you put T in the morning, afternoon or evening, on 10th, your T is repeating. So this scenario will not be there at all. So you have only first scenario, two cases out of it. So let's go ahead and take a look at the questions. B had the position in which two slots? So where is B? B had it in the morning. Sorry. B had it in the morning. You can see that. And B had it in the afternoon or evening. That is the problem. So morning is confirmed, but afternoon or evening, you don't know. So the answer is cannot be determined. If B had its position on Sunday morning, then which of the following is true? So first, B morning is Sunday. So this 10th is a Sunday. So this is Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So this will have to be a Friday. Okay. Now the question is, which of the following is true? C had one procession on Tuesday morning. C had one procession on Tuesday morning. So where is that? C had one procession on Tuesday. Tuesday is 12th. 12th morning. No, that is not correct. So this is incorrect. A is not correct. B. T had a procession on Monday afternoon. Monday is 11th. 11th afternoon is A, not T. So that is also wrong. And C. A had a procession on Monday afternoon. That is correct. We just saw this. A had a procession on Monday afternoon. This is correct. So the correct answer for question number 12 is option C. If T had its position twice in the afternoon slot, then which two parties in any order had the first and the last positions period? So first let's take a look at, we are fixing T in two afternoon slots. So we are looking at T, okay. So we are looking at T being present in two afternoon slots. So already one afternoon slot is here. So here this means this has to be T, this has to be B. So first is C, ending is B. So C and B are the first and last. So the correct answer is C and B are the first and last. Option A. The three slots in which B, T and A held positions on 10th, 11th and 12th. So if you observe the table, 10th, 11th and 12th, B, T and A, all of them are in the mornings. All of them are in the mornings. B, T, A, 10th, 11th, 12th, all of them are in the mornings. So it is morning, morning and morning. So it's M, M, M. So option A. Which party definitely did not have any procession in the evening? So evening, who did not have? Let's see. T definitely had. T had. C had. B may or may not have had. Definitely A is not having. Therefore, the answer is A. That is option D. Okay. So that's the set for you.